Nisa Bula, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Amrita, and today we're gonna get a little naughty. I'm really excited to start playing with this palette. As you know, I've owned two of her other palettes before. I have the Rose palette the second time around. I think it's called like Rose palette volume 2, and I also have the new Nude palette. So, and I love the formula. It goes on really well, especially for someone like me who's like I may be able to do foundation, concealer, things like that, but I'm very new when it comes to eyeshadow. So one, it always makes it look like I kind of know what I'm doing, and two, it always comes out pretty well. So I'm really excited, and this is what the palette looks like. Now to be honest, for first glance, I really love the colors. Like I said in my Sephora haul video, I do love that if you look at it, there's some pinks in there, some browns. For me, I really do feel like this is like a sister palette to the Nude palette that she came out with. If you had to choose between the two, because I know money is tight for a lot of people, I would say one is, are you looking more towards like pinky nudes, or are you looking more towards, this does have a little bit of pink, as you can see right here. If you're like, hey, I kind of want both, you have that option. There's pinks, there's browns, there's the gold, and honestly, I love like the little marbles and things like that. And for me, it's like if I had to choose one palette, I think I would choose this one right here, just because it is a little different, and I feel like I am really splurging on myself. I'm really excited to start playing with this palette. As you can see, I already did my foundation, concealer. I already primed my lids as well, so let's dig in. So I got to play with the shadow, and this is what I came up with. This nice, I wanted a little like sultry look because this palette is called Naughty, so I was like, why not have a little bit of fun with it? I feel like this is like a nice pinky, plummy look. And ironically, since I'm wearing purple or lavender, I'm like, hey, it kind of goes with my outfit. So I think that's hella funny. Not intended to, but I do like the little combo, because if you look at it, it kind of looks like it has a little bit of lavender in there as well. So if you want to find out how I came up with this look, stay tuned. Again, I'm gonna go in with the Anastasia brush. This is the brush that comes in their palettes. The first thing I did was I went in with Filthy on my crease. Like I stamped it on. Just kinda tell you one thing, it is a little weird to have my face angled like this and record at the same time. Then I went in with Hypnotic, also in my crease, just a touch lower. See that? So it's like a nice little transition. Okay, and then using this side of the brush, I'm gonna go in with Naughty. And you're gonna apply this eyeshadow in a V shape. To deepen up the outer corner of that eye, we're gonna go with Untamed, and we're gonna make a small V on the corner of your eye. Okay, and I'm gonna go back with this side of the brush and kind of blend it out, so it's like not any harsh lines. Then using your finger, you're gonna go in with Irresistible and apply that on the front part of your eyelid. And then we're gonna go into Passion with our finger. Look at that nice shift. I love that, like nice. It looks like a plum shift color. And then we're gonna put that right here, and it kind of helps to blend out the shades. You see that? And this is like a nice transition because it has a little bit of pink, a little bit of that dark purpley color. Alrighty. For the bottom lashes, we're gonna go back in with Naughty and Tame, and we're just gonna get the outer part of our eye. And then we're gonna go in with Filthy on the front part of the bottom part, the front part of the bottom part of your eye. We're gonna go in with Flower Power on the inner corner of our eye, as well as our things called like a highlight bone. And for this part, I'm just gonna go in with a little brush like this. It is a Morphe brush, but it doesn't have a name on it. But any really any tiny brush will work. For the eyeliner, we're going in with the Huda Beauty Life Liner. And this is in the shade Very Vanto. I messed it up, but I'm gonna wait for it to dry and I'm gonna fix that front part. Once the eyeliner dries, just kind of push down and you can get rid of it. We're gonna use the other side of the Huda Beauty Life Liner, the pencil liner, to get for mascara. I'm going in with the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. For blush, I am going in with Becca in the shade Foxglove. And to highlight, I'm gonna go in the shade Flower Power. Okay, so to keep with the theme, I actually am thinking about going in with this shade right here. If you look at it, kind of looks like the eyeshadow. This is in the shade Payday by Huda Beauty. Okay, and I'm gonna finish off the look with the Urban Decay All Nighter Spray. Okay guys, so this is the final look, and I actually really love the way that this came out. All the shades really did blend very easily, and also now that I got to play with the palette, there's a lot of versatility in it as well, so I'm very happy about that. There's a lot of matte shades in there, so you can do everyday looks, you know, like if you have Zoom meetings, things like that, you can easily throw in everyday wearable look. And then there's also eyeshadows like this one right here, where you just pop it on and then you know, it transform your look. There's other shades in there. I believe one is called, oh yes, Desire, and that's like a real like real sexy like red, you know. So I feel like palette is a good buy. You can wear it every day. You can also have kind of some like plum, like there's gold in there, so like if you're celebrating like the holidays or New Year's right now, there's shades in there that you can use for that. And then also there's shades in here you can use for like Valentine's Day, or you know, since we're not going anywhere, maybe like, you know, a date night at home kind of thing. So I really like this palette, and I cannot wait to play with this some more. I can give you some more like wearable everyday looks, some like cute little date night looks as well. So comment down below, what do you think of this overall look? Do you like this like what is this, like a purpley color? I usually don't use lipsticks that aren't like nude, you know, so it's a little bit outside of my comfort zone, but I do like the overall look of it. And remember to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and then turn on the notification bell. Binaka Baka, love you for watching. Until next time, mode.